Good morning class. So in previous video we have discussed about the heat and how the heat transfer from hotter body to the colder body, and when we will supply the heat to the body, what effects are there and what are the measurement and units we have discussed in the previous video. Okay. So today we will discuss about the temperature and its measurement. Temperature and its measurement. So first of all we will discuss about the temperature. What is temperature? What do you mean by temperature? So the temperature is the measurement of degree of hotness or coldness of a body is called temperature. Suppose your body is very hot, so you will say that my temperature is very high, and sometimes your body is very cold and you need heat, so you will say that my body is very cold. So this is the actually measurement of temperature of the hotness and coldness of the body, right? And now temperature is generally used in degree Celsius and it is denoted as 0 C, and second is degree Fahrenheit 0 F. Okay. So measurement temperature is normally measured in degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. Is it clear? Now units of temperature. Units of temperature is Kelvin. It is Kelvin, and it is denoted as K, right? So it is clear what is temperature, how the temperature measure, what is the units of temperature. Is it clear? Now next is, on the basis of the temperature, there are three types of scale are there. Three types of scale are there. First scale is called Celsius scale, second is called Fahrenheit scale, and third is called Kelvin scale, right? So for using the measurement of temperature, we are having one device. That device is called thermometer. You all are usually seen, you all are having a thermometer at your home. If you see the structure of the thermometer, so it is it is like that. Okay, it is very big at your home. It is very small. Some nowadays digital thermometer also is there, but in this thermometer you will see that one end you will see one point is there and another end is like that. Okay, so division of this Celsius scale is from 0 to 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, it means that this is the lower point, this is the lower point, lower, and this is the upper point, upper point. In case of Celsius scale, lower point starts from 0 degrees Celsius and higher point is 100 degrees Celsius. It means that the Celsius scale is divided in 100 parts, right? Lower part is 0 degree and upper part is 100 degrees centigrade. And when we measure the temperature, our measurement is between 0 to 100 degrees centigrade. Is it clear? Now next is Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit scale, it is also like that. This is also like that. Fahrenheit scale is also like that. Okay. So, but difference is that in Fahrenheit, lower point is started from 32 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. Lower point is started from 32 degree Fahrenheit. But in the Celsius scale, lower point is started from 0 degree centigrade. And upper point in Fahrenheit scale is 212 degree Fahrenheit. But in case of Celsius scale, it is 100 degrees centigrade. So if there is a comparison between the Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale, so you can say that in Celsius scale, lower fixed point is started from 0 degree and upper fixed point is 100 degrees centigrade. And in the Fahrenheit scale, lower is started from 32 degree Fahrenheit and upper is started from 212 degree Fahrenheit. So lower Celsius and Fahrenheit scale is clear. Now third is the Kelvin scale. Okay, Kelvin scale, it is this 273 degree is lower point and this is the upper point. In Kelvin scale, lower point started from 273 degree Kelvin and upper point is 373 degree Kelvin. So these are the temperature of scale. Three types of scale you are having. First is Celsius, second is Fahrenheit, and third is Kelvin scale. And the Celsius scale, lower fixed point is 0 degree centigrade, upper fixed point is 100 degree centigrade. In Fahrenheit scale, our fixed point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. In Kelvin scale, lower point is 273 degree Kelvin and upper point is 373 degree Kelvin. Is it clear? Okay. Now next is one activity is also given in your book, and you will turn your page, you will see that the activity 1. In activity 1 is, suppose you have to compare the temperature of tap water, hot water and cold water. For this you will take 3 thermoflask. 3 thermoflask you will take it. Right? Here it is tap water. Here it is cold water. And here it is hot water. Hot water. Okay? And inside you will insert a thermometer. Okay? 3 flasks you will take it, and in one flask you will put the normal water, tap water, and another flask you will put in the cold water, and third one you will put in the hot water. And inside the place the thermometer. Okay, inside the place the thermometer, and here is a cork. It helps you the airtight. Here also cork, here also cork. Okay. And when you see the temperature of this thermometer is different. In the tap water, normal water, you can read the reading of the temperature, and in cold water you can read the reading of the thermometer, and hot water you can read the reading of the thermometer. You will see that in these thermometer reading is different. Hot tap water, normal water reading is different. Cold water thermometer reading is different, and next hot water thermometer reading is different. So first, this hot water temperature is more compared to tap water. Okay, and this cold water reading is decreased, is less. So it means to say that, so with the help of the thermometer we can easily measure the temperature of the body or temperature of the liquid if it is hot, cold and normal. So this activity is clear. Now next is conversion of Celsius scale to Fahrenheit scale. What are the formula for this? First formula is Fahrenheit equal to C by 5. Sorry, 9 by 5. For if the temperature you have to convert the Celsius to Fahrenheit, for this Fahrenheit formula is that F equal to 9 by 5 into C, what temperature is there, plus 32. So in this way we get the Fahrenheit. For Celsius formula is 5 by 9 F minus 32. If you want to find the Celsius scale, for this 5 by 9 in bracket F minus 32, and in this way you will get the Celsius. For the conversion of Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius, these two formulas are there. For Fahrenheit 9 by 5 C plus 32, for Celsius 5 by 9 F minus 32. Okay, and for Kelvin C plus 273 degree. Okay, so where if you want to find in Kelvin, for finding the Kelvin, what temperature is given, you will add given temperature 273 and you will get the Kelvin. Is it clear? Okay, thank you class.